All right, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know for the tender side of the POS. So any payments coming in. Um, I'm just going to do a basic one first to show you how it works. So you have a product, click pay when they're ready. You have these three options for payment: cash, credit card, and gift card. Um, Over here, when you want to hit the tender type first. So if you hit cash, it automatically puts the total into the field. If you need to change that, you can click any of these buttons. Just make sure you select, you know, the whole number and not just 0.02 or whatnot. You can hit this delete to get rid of individual ones, or let's say you messed up, you typed in too much, you can hit this refresh button, it'll turn it back to 0. Be careful with these green ones here. I know it seems like they'd be easier to use, but as soon as you click one of these, it automatically puts it in as the payment. So it's not like if they give you $15, you can't just click a 10 and a 5. If you do, you'll see once I click the 10, and it is beyond how much the payment was, it automatically puts the 10 in here as that's what they paid with. Uh, you cannot exit this back out. You can cancel the transaction and hit yes. This will void the transaction. So that would be the only way you can void that out. So once you hit yes, payment void successful, it takes you back to this screen and the transaction never went through. So just be careful with these green buttons. I mean, if you know for sure that they paid with a $5 bill and it's just a lot quicker for you, go ahead and do that. It's not a problem. You still have to hit cash first and then hit 5. Once you do that, that's it. All you have to do is hit finish. And right here, it gives you the change. It also will give you the change after it prompts you for what type of receipt. Uh, we can email receipts. It's not totally set up yet, so at the time of this video, the email thing is not working, but you can print them. You can do both, and you can do no print. So you also have all these options here. You can print a gift receipt. You can sign them up or take them off of the promotions emails, or you can check this button that says email all receipts. If you select all receipts, I believe it will just send them to a receipt every time without asking you this option anymore. So just keep that in mind. On this one, I'm going to hit no print, and it also gives you your change due at this point as well. That was a very basic receipt. So if you have a customer in here, and let's just say I'm going to see how much money I have for my rewards, right? So I'm going to go to view customer, membership and rewards, scroll down, and this is how much money I have that I can use. And I can use it anytime. If it is something that costs more than that $23.93, it will prompt you, do you want to use it, yes or no? If you hit yes, you have to use the entire thing. If you hit no, you can save it and keep accruing towards that money. So let me just show you what I mean. If I go in here and I buy pack of screens, I hit pay, it's going to prompt me. Do I want to use my $23.93? I can say yes or no. If I hit yes, the transaction is pretty much done. It doesn't even take you to the tender screen because you're using store credit to pay for this. So you can do all the same options. You can print, email, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and hit no, and the transaction's done. Let's say I go back in here and view how much money I have now. Now it says I have $22.86, right? I still have that I can use. It only took off that $1.07. If I buy something that is more than 2286, it will still prompt you, but it will force you to use the entire credit. So you can't split tender, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. So go back here. Let's make this like 30 of these. So my total is 257. I hit pay. Do you want to use this? Hit yes. Now it's going to use that credit right here. And this is what I still owe, 234.22. You can do the same thing, hit cash, type in the amount they give you. Gift card and credit card work exactly the same way as they would. I don't have a credit card machine hooked up, so I can't really show you that from here, but very simple. Once you hit finish, it gives you the change amount down here, and it also gives you the change amount after the receipt prints. I think that's pretty much everything you need to know. If you ever are tied up at this point, you can always hit cancel, and it'll take you back to this screen. As you can see, though, I had that option to use my credit, and it's still on this transaction as being used. So the only way to get this back into my account would be to, kill this transaction. So I can refresh, I can cancel transaction, or I can just completely log out. So once I do that, get back in, and then type the customer back in. Customers, view customer, membership rewards. It put that money back into my account because I never used it. All right. Pretty sure that's all you need to know. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.